Namaste, Namaskaram. Welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for joining me for this very special practice on chanting the 7 major chakras. This practice is so healing in so many ways. Please do this practice every day for minimum 14 days in a row. If you have any emotional, mental strain, if you have stress, anxiety, nervousness, tension, anything like that is going on in your life, please do this practice 14 days in a row without stopping, and you will see tremendous benefits. First, just sitting into a chair comfortably with both feet onto the floor and parallel to each other, or sitting on the floor. If you're sitting on the floor, please make sure your back is erect and nice and straight. Not rigidly straight, but just bringing your spine as long as it's possible for your body. Close your eyes softly, gently. No tension around your eyes or upon your eyelids. Relax both sides of your forehead skin, left side and right side. Relax your jaw and make sure that your teeth are not touching top and bottom. A little bit more, relax the muscles of your face. And take a long, deep exhale, all the air out, and just inviting the weight of your body down toward Mother Earth. And bring your awareness to your breathing. And just begin breathing a little bit longer than normal. Breathing equally through both nostrils. Breath with yogic practices is always through your nose. So keep your mouth closed gently and breathing through your nose. And just relax your nose and even relax inside your nose as you're breathing. As you continue to breathe in this way, letting go of anything you may have already accumulated in this day, physically or mentally. Every time you exhale, just let go a little bit more. There are only 2 types of suffering in the world, physical and mental. And if you have the mental suffering, it is all being created within you. It is all being created within you. Please practice compassion and kindness for yourself. You deserve peace, joy, happiness, and contentment. Let go a little bit more every time you exhale. And just feel. It's so good when you're not bothering yourself. You're not torturing yourself with all of these unnecessary thoughts. Just keep letting go more and more with each exhalation. Yogic practices, whatever they may be, asana, pranayama, meditation, they all take many, many, many years to master. They even sometimes can take many, many, many years to understand. So please, practice compassion and kindness for yourself. And if your mind is still having all the thoughts, just be gentle with yourself And every time a thought comes, just come back to your breath. Practicing acceptance and gratitude for each moment. And take one more breath with me. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. We're chanting the root syllables for each of the 7 major chakras. The syllables will be on the screen if you would like to follow along. If you know them, just keep your eyes closed. You can gently place your hands on the area of the chakra as we chant, or just leave your hands on your lap, palms facing down if you don't feel yet stable or grounded. Palms facing up, hands in yoga mudra if you feel stable. Let's begin. Lam, Wam, Ram, Yam, Ham, 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 Last round. Lam, Wam, Ram, Yam, Ham, Return your hands onto your lap, palms facing down or hands in yoga mudra. Bring your awareness to your root chakra, Muladhara, earth element, center of your pelvis, resting your awareness here these next few moments. No unnecessary thoughts. And just be very still mentally and physically. Shift your awareness upward, just below your navel, sacral chakra, Swadhisthana, water element. Meditate here. Keeping your face relaxed, keeping your thoughts relaxed. Shift your awareness to your navel, navel chakra, Manipura. Meditating here, fire element. Your only thoughts are on your body and breath sensations. Everything else is on hold. Just granting yourself this beautiful inner freedom. Shift your awareness to your heart chakra. Lift your heart toward the sky. Deep breathing into your heart. These next few moments, letting go of any tension around your heart. Forgiveness and unconditional love. Anahata chakra, heart center. Shift your awareness to your throat, base of your throat, Vishuddha. Ether, space, element. Meditation here at the base of your throat. Relax your throat, relax your thoughts. Gently shift your awareness to your third eye chakra, Agna chakra. Between your eyebrows, center of your forehead, resting here. Keep your face relaxed, jaw relaxed, body very still. Shift your awareness to your crown, Sahasrara chakra. Thousands of lotus petals on your crown, resting here. Continuing to meditate these next few moments on any of the 7 major chakras. resting your awareness just with your body and your breath. Everything else is still set aside. Just enjoy this beautiful inner freedom. And take one more long, deep, soothing, nourishing, healing, happy breath. As if the pores of your skin are able to breathe. Your whole body is able to breathe. As you exhale, just feel so much calm, so much peace is coming from within you. This is your true self. This is truly who you are, without the stories, the drama, the unnecessary thoughts. Please continue to do this practice often. As you're ready, take your time. Take your own time. As you're ready, gently bring your hands in Namaskar in front of your heart. 1, Om, 3, Shanti, together. Inhale. Shanti. Shanti, Shanti. Thank you for practicing with me today. You may open your eyes as you're ready. Come back into this space with me. Please keep this peace with you as you go throughout your day. Just speak softly, gently, and with a little bit deeper voice. That will help you to keep this calm and peace with you. I'll see you again soon. Thank you.